Welcome, welcome. So we have a little summer 4-pack that we've put together, and the reason we've put them together is to get you great outfits and easy little time behind the machine. So let me introduce this little 4-pack for you and tell you why each of them works so well. So the first one we're going to start with is pattern number 312, Giorgio's top. Giorgio's top came from Giorgio Armani. If you look back on some of Giorgio Armani's styles, we still see the same style today. Now this particular one that I'm showing you is actually Jason Wu. And one thing we know about designers is they get inspiration from one another, if that's a fair way to say that. They get inspiration from one another because, gosh, inspiration is everywhere. But this one by Jason Wu is very similar. We could do a V-neck, we could put a buttonhole down the front or a button up the front. I just wanted you to see all the variables of what this pattern will do. And next week we'll have a sew along on this particular pattern, 312. Now the next one I want you to see is number 320. We've had a little kind of a sew along in fabrics that work well. Again, this is the one I have on. So we want to show you that 320 works well because in all of these patterns you have to remember that there's no exact bust point, there's no exact waist point. They just work really well. The depth is built in for you. We have cup sizing in them, and they're really meant to give you great garments quickly. In this particular one on 320, Bailey's cowl neck, you can use either knit or woven. So our goal is get you sewing, summer sewing, get some great little outfits made up without a lot of time behind the sewing machine. All right, so this next one, we have them in a package. So if you'll watch your email, you'll see that we have them in a package price, and you go to the website and see that. This next one is it's Lila Rose. And what we know about Lila Rose is very contemporary and very updated about the clothes that they have. And this one in particular is ruching along the side, and this one reflects 323, which we had a sew along a couple weeks ago. So all of these are just so easy to do. You can watch these sew alongs. Again, no exact bust point, but yet the waist is there. Everything will fit perfect. The only thing you have to worry about is the circumference. So our goal is to get you there. With this last one, number 222, this is the Carolyn's Knotted Keyhole Top, and it's got a little keyhole neckline. Keyhole necklines are just really popular this summer, going into fall also, and especially with ruching around that keyhole. So it's exactly what's in style. All of these patterns are going to serve you really well. We've come up with one price with all 4 patterns, and they're on the Fit to Stitch site. So it's a donation for Fit to Stitch. So thank you so much. You're going to see that each of these, and again, we're going to have a sew along. If we haven't had them, the sew along will be upcoming. So the month of July is just going to be a happy time to have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.